Hello friends, this is BB Arjun. Today we are going to talk about media edit presentations. After watching this video, you will be able to define presentation program. You will be also aware of strengths and precautions of a presentation program. Let us begin. First, the definition. A presentation program is defined as a computer software package used to display information normally in the form of a slideshow. It typically includes three major functions. One, an editor that allows text to be inserted and formatted. Two, a method for inserting and manipulating graphics images. And three, a slideshow system to display the content. What are the strength of a media edit presentation? Let us consider them one by one. It is easy to create visual aids. We can record colorful, attractive designs using these standard templates and themes. They're also easy to modify as compared to other visual aids. We can integrate documents, spreadsheets, graphics, voice, etc. in this presentation. They are quick and easy to present, and we can maintain eye contact with a large audience by simply changing the slides with pressing a key. If your presentation is well planned, well rehearsed, and delivered with a good style, you have a very effective interaction with your audience. Audience is more attentive to multimedia messages than traditional presentations because they are having both audio and visual aids combined together with the help of modern technology. Interaction with audience with the help of modern media increases the level of comprehension and helps to develop higher level thinking skills. Presentation aids establish the authenticity of your words. People believe what they see more than what they hear. Effective presentation aids enhance credibility. They tell the audience you have put extra efforts into preparing your speech. Presentation aids add variety to a speech. Variety creates interest and it helps to sustain or to recapture attention. Why are presentations and presentation skills important? What are they used for? Let us see the reasons one by one. Media aided presentations are used to present or report activities or findings or suggestions to superiors or colleagues. They intend to educate, train, and teach people. They are a great help to explain your ideas, work, activities, and projects. You can convince other people and very effectively communicate the value of your ideas to them. They are also helpful in asking for opinions of others. You can ask for support, cooperation, contributions using these media. Now we shall consider the precautions one need to take while using media aided presentations. When we present slides one after another, we reduce a complex subject to a set of points and notes that we find in bullets and numbers, etc. Sometimes it may be oversimplification of the topic. The audience may not catch up the amount of seriousness and depth with which they are expected to. They may not understand the complexity of the issue or the subject. Presentation aids may distract your listeners. graphics are most likely to distract audiences' focus from your words to graphics as they are very attractive. Thus, the very purpose of the speech is likely to be defeated if this kind of distraction prevails. Therefore, one must be very careful while choosing graphics and managing their numbers in your presentation. Less number of graphics is always better. While preparing a presentation, a presenter is likely to be tempted by the too many features such as flying letters, animations, and sound effects, and audience is also likely to be lured by them. In any case, a presenter should not allow audience to shift their focus from message to attractive features. Try to keep your presentation as simple as possible. Similarly, you might be tempted to use some graphics, images, video streaming, and so on. They might be very apt to your topic, but they have a distracting effect as well. Audience is likely to keep on thinking about the image or video they watched even though you have moved to the next topic or next slides. Presentation aids can distract you. To avoid this, you must rehearse and practice your speech using presentation aids. Otherwise, you are likely to lose track of what you are saying. Your words and slides won't match. Presentation aids can interfere with eye contact with listeners. Display aids so you don't have to look at them the entire time you use them. Poor presentation aids can damage your credibility. If you are artistically challenged, use all the tools available to create an attractive and effective presentation aid. Presentation aids put you at the mercy of equipment. It means you are dependent on them. Be sure you know what equipment is available and how to use it. In case they fail to work, have a backup plan. We might have a very wonderful PowerPoint, film, clip, music to present. Sometimes technology can fail us. The computer that we are using may not work. The overhead projector might have a bulb out, or we might have lost our flash drive, or we call it pen drive. Therefore, we must always keep a prepared set of brief notes from which we can speak. Similarly, we must take a backup of our material on multiple channels such as flash drive, CD, external hard disk, or emails. If we plan to deliver our speech with media aids, we must have a backup of our own material. Another important precaution is preparation. We have to know our content thoroughly, completely. If we do not, we have no use of making presentations at all. In other words, we are able to speak intelligently with just a brief outline or a few notes and answer most questions on our topic. It is not simply a question of memorizing material, it is a question of really knowing your material completely thoroughly. Don't forget the natural flow of the presentation. One slide should be a continuation of the previous one. Do not jump around. We must use the available space, time, and resources comfortably. You might have an icebreaker for showing the reason behind the presentation, or during your question and answer session, you can move to the parking lot to read out questions and comments. Well, friends, This is all about media edit presentations, their strength and precautions. Thank you. Happy learning.